In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Zelle error C210. So this error typically occurs when there's an issue with your account enrollment, often because your phone number or email is already linked to Zelle through another bank or the standalone application. It could also pop up due to security flags, network issues, or app glitches. So here is how to fix it. So number one is you want to go ahead and check your enrollment status. So you want to make sure that your phone number or email isn't tied to Zelle anywhere else. Zelle only allows one account per contact method. And next up, you want to verify that you do have a stable internet connection. It's really important that you guys actually use a strong internet connection, because if you use a weak or like maybe some public networks, then it could trigger errors. And if you're running into issues, I suggest switching your networks, like going from Wi-Fi to mobile data, and try relogging or registering. And also, you want to make sure you have the most recent and up-to-date application. So whether you're using the standalone app or you're using a banking application that has Zelle inside of it, the point is you want to make sure you do have the most recent version. So me personally, I use the Citibank mobile application, and you basically just want to check that it is updated, to the most recent version. So yep, as you're able to tell, mine is already updated, so we are good to go. And if none of those work, then what I recommend you guys do is actually contact Zelle customer service. So over here is the Zelle phone number. It is 844-428 and then 8542, and then you guys could go ahead and call them, explain to them your issue. And again, if you are calling Zelle customer support, make sure to be as respectful as possible and try to explain your situation in a calm and concise manner. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.